Hi, I bought these candles on eBay. They arrived today. They're 3-pack colour changing scented candles made with real wax. This is the box with remote control on eBay. So I thought I'd show you. This is the remote control. So I can get into focus. Hang on, put that down a minute. Maybe that's better. So you can see all the colours, and it's on the timer as well, on and off switch, and it's got the mode and the multicolour. I've got it on multicolour at the moment, so I'll just show you quickly. Get back in focus. There we go. Just trying to get it back in focus to show you. I'm very pleased with them. Lovely colours, nice smell to the candles. I've got a cat, so I don't want to burn anything, and also my partner passed away 2 days before Christmas, and I'd like to light a candle for him as well, so that's the reason why I bought them. This is the multicolour then. As you can see, that's changing. And then they all go back in sequence. There's like a little flickering on here, but I'm not sure which one that is yet. I think that's the mode. There's a little flicker. If I keep pressing it, the other one does it. And then they've got the little flickering sequence going on as well. So I'm very happy with them. Look a bit boring when they're off, which I'll show you that now. That's what they look like when they're off. Look a bit boring, but when you put them on, the colours are really lovely. So I'm fiddling with this and I'm trying to record. So I'm going back on now. And I'm going to put it on a multicolour. If I press multicolour, I think a few times, there we are, they all come on the same, and then they all go into their own sequence then. Well, I don't, like I said, I don't like burning candles in the house because of my cat, and my partner passed away, and his birthday's coming up in April, and I wanted to light a candle, so this was the next best option for me, as well as them looking pretty, and they look nice in the evening. So I'm going to put the light off now, and you can have a look at that as well. Well, I've put the light off. This is what it looks like in the dark. So I'll show you the colours again in the dark. I'll keep the multicolour on because it'll go through all the colours, which will be nice. That's really nice and pink. I'm pressing the mode now, try and get that flickering going again. You see the little flickering going on. So going back to multicolours, get the mode on. So there's the flickering again. So yeah, I'm really pleased with them. So I thought I'd share that with you. I bought them on eBay for £7, and they are going a lot more expensive than that on eBay, so I always look for the bargains. That's what I like to do anyway. So I just thought I'd share the quick video with you. And then, as I said, they're 3-pack colour changing scented candles made with real wax, and it's got a remote control with it as well. So probably buy them on Amazon as well as eBay. So bye.